Here is the antenna. Yep. Yeah, a whole lot easier. Hey friends, welcome back to the Homestead. We're not on the Homestead at the moment because we're going to get a ham radio antenna. So we're heading into town to go find this antenna, see if we can pull it off this house. I brought along my cousin and brother-in-law. He's the brains of the operation, and then my son's in the back seat. He's going to be the muscle. All right, well, here we are. Here is the antenna. This is a pretty big antenna. We should be able to have enough room to lay it down. Might catch the tree just a little bit. But one of the problems that we're running into right now is the way that they've got this mounted. We don't have a socket big enough to detach these bolts that are connected to it. So the guy that owns it is going to his shop to see if he's got some tools that are capable of detaching this, and hopefully we should be able to get it all squared away quickly once we get that taken care of. The other issue that we have is the main cable that runs from the top into the house. It's running through the attic and it goes down a wall, so we're gonna have to try to fish that out and then detach it in there. We're trying to get the cable all in one piece if we can, so we don't have to make another connection on the end of it. Alrighty. What we can do while we're waiting is try to disconnect all these satellite cables.
That is a great tool set.
It is a great tool set.
Yes,
I really like this tool set. All right. So now those are all disconnected.
Where are we gonna hook up the pulley to?
What I'm thinking, we just take that little crossbar off,
Yeah.
move the antenna out just a little bit, and then tie the pulleys on to that. And hopefully those studs will keep it from going too far. I'm gonna rig it so that we can have a directional change pulley on the antenna for mechanical advantage, go back to the anchor point for another mechanical advantage, and then tie off to the antenna itself. So that should give us a 3-to-1 mechanical advantage.
That should be plenty.
I think so. We got some red rope. Sai.
That was just blame you for that. Next time, throw the glue rope at. Why are you throwing stuff at me?
All right, so we're gonna use 3 pulleys.
Okay, so does that mean I have to catch 2 more times?
Nope.
Okay, good.
All right, we're gonna use 1 rope, and that's gonna make,
Why did we bring 2 ropes then?
just in case we needed more rope.
You always need more rope.
Well, I guess I'll climb up there and see if I can attach stuff to Silas.
Yeah.
Let's get these pulleys prepped.
All right.
They're not snatch blocks, they're just pulleys. So we have to put them on before we're ready for the rope.
Ladder.
He's here with the ladder. Just slide on, just like that. 1, 2, 3. That one's a little bit heavier, bud.
Right-handed or left-handed?
Right-handed. Follow the cable. It's going in and looks like down a wall that is on the inside. Is it possible that we can shove it back in that wall so we can pull it up?
We can see.
We can see? All right, you ready? All right. It's coming right up. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. This is a change of pace. Usually I'm wiring houses. Now I'm unwiring a house. There we go. Make our way out of here. Oh, buddy. Alrighty.
Easy enough.
Yeah, wasn't too bad. We should be able to just pull it from here. Yeah, it's kind of underneath some boxes right there. Okay. Making progress.
Maybe that was the easy part.
That was the easy part. Try to not die going down this rickety little ladder.
And a very stable ladder.
It's a very stable ladder, yep. Did I find a socket that fit it?
Now, if you break this, this is 3/4 inch.
That'll...
I give you the ratchet, and I got that, and I already checked it on there.
We'll start with the breaker bar and see if we can just loosen it a little bit. All right. There we go.
There we go. Leverage.
There we go.
Alright, so what are all these little wires connected to?
So these are ground wires. That's so when lightning strikes it, it has a direction to go.
Okay, so this also works
If it
as a
didn't have
lightning
a good
rod.
ground on, we'd be getting hit by lightning all the time.
Yep.
So this also doubles as a lightning rod?
That one come loose. Easier.
Yeah, a whole lot easier.
Good. For the satellite.
Yep, I unhooked
Yeah.
the satellite wires. The
Okay.
ground is just falling down the antenna, so that'll come
When
up
you
with
get
it.
back up there, pull them wires back in.
Yep.
If you would, please.
Okay, yeah, absolutely. Will do.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so
They took the nut off of it, didn't they?
all right. That was easy. Back up in the attic and see if we can figure out what's going on with the piece inside. Yeah, let me go up there and see what I
Take a
can
look.
find. I'm not finding the bolt for that, or the nut for that bolt. So I can just bend it straight down and that'll hold it.
Think so?
If, yeah, I mean, it's not going to come out of that hole with it bent at a 90 degree. If that's all right with you.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay.
Hercules, Hercules.
Okay.
He got it bent.
All right.
Was that wire important?
You can run it right around that bracket, can't you?
Okay. How are we going to do this, Silas?
What?
We got to get 2 of these pulleys connected to this bracket now. And it's too tight to the wall to slide it behind it.
Pull the tower away a little bit.
I don't know. I still want God to fall.
I think we got it.
We did it?
I can tie a bow line. I wasn't a Boy Scout, but I can manage.
Remember your knot time.
I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win it, sometimes you lose it, sometimes it calls you right in the room. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. taking me high, taking me down.
Well, look at there. I believe we have.
Come to my
All right, slowly.
table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my
Perfect.
head. Oh, bringing me fire, bringing me
It might not. You can tie it off on the trailer while we disconnect all this stuff.
taking me down.
Doing any more? Thank you for your help. Disconnect this pole and drop it back down. Step by. Yep.
Dad's bending again.
It's okay. We'll fix it.
There we go.
Funny story, that's actually the stub from a check where I made $600,000 an hour. Yeah,
What are you doing here?
I only worked 1.5 seconds though. Oh,
Don't forget the satellite dish.
so my grandfather, avid deer hunter, and what he would do is he'd cut up apples, dip them in peanut butter
Oh, man.
all year long.
Oh, there you
All year long. They would come, they'd smell that peanut butter, they would eat those apples up. So every time we went out in the woods, spread some apples with some peanut butter on them, all right? Not allowed to shoot baited deer, right? So deer season comes along, you stop feeding them. But what he'd do, take himself peanut butter and jelly sandwich every time he went out hunting.
That's legal.
That's completely legal.
It's a little heavy. There's that washer fell off.
I got it loose for you there, Dustin.
Damn radio isn't powerful enough to reach each other.
Still hanging out. Still hanging out.
Don't hit the mailbox.
Good.
Yay, we didn't hit the mailbox.
All right.
Took about as long as I thought it would.
Woohoo!
Silas, thank you for your help. You were a good man. Followed instructions well. Appreciate that. We're going the right